Okay, guys, we have a 2016 Nissan Altima. It's a four-cylinder engine. This car had no start, no communication with the key, no communication with the scanner, and customer brought it. Said she was driving, and it just shut off on her. We checked it. It had a blown fuse right here at the IPDM. You can see I put a bigger one in there. It's a 10 amp is the ECM fuse. So I put one, started right up, and it lasted probably a few minutes, then shut off again. So this car had a short to ground problem. I looked around to see if anyone had worked on it. Didn't see anything. Started wiggling the harness. Took the cover off on the top of the engine, and I found I was gonna jack it up, but I wanted to check up top first. I didn't see anything noticeable. So I started wiggling the harness up top by the coil packs, the ignition coils, and I took that off to see what the problem, if I could find the problem. And look right here. There's this blue cable that had that little cut. I guess it was burnt. You could see. This was touching the cam sensor bolt right here. This one right there. So if you guys run across this problem, it might be common for Nissan Altimas. Check your fuse first, see if it's blown, and if it's blown and your fan is on and high and you have no start, no crank, I think it showed like it didn't take the key. I think it would be a good place to look, because the harness was not touched. I just moved all that, but it seems like with the heat probably burnt the shielding of the cable and got to the one cable and was blowing the fuse. So it would start, but when I wiggle the harness, it would blow the fuse out again. So I hope this helps somebody. I deal a lot with electrical problems. I just don't really post any videos, but this one took me probably about 2 hours to figure it out. But got to figure it out. So I hope it helps someone out there. Thank you for watching.